All right, in this video today, we are going to be looking at how to move blog posts from one blog to another in Squarespace websites. So we are logged into the back end of my current Squarespace website. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Pages tab. And then I'm going to navigate down here to my blog sections. In my unlinked section, you can see I have my main blog right here. I also have another blog which houses my podcast episodes, and then an additional blog down here which I no longer use. But we're going to look at moving some posts from this blog over to this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this blog that you want to move the posts from, and I'm actually going to select the posts by clicking Command so I can select multiple posts. And then you'll see down here at the bottom, the menu item comes up to move or remove those blogs. So I'm actually going to click to move them. And then you'll see that you can choose which blog you want to actually move the items to. Now, I don't actually want to move these posts over, but if you wanted to, all you would do is select what you wanted to and then click move items. Now, if you are looking to move items into a new blog that you have not created yet, you would just need to click on the plus sign wherever you want this blog to be housed, whether that be in your navigation or your unlinked section. Click on the blog item or blog selection, create that new blog, and then you would just move those posts into this blog the way that I just described before. So that hopefully makes sense to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask below.